Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make raspberry donuts easily. First, gather your simple ingredients like flour, sugar, and fresh raspberries. Next, we will quickly prepare the dough with minimal effort, ensuring a light and fluffy texture. Then, we'll shape and fry these delightful treats to a perfect golden brown. Finally, we'll finish them with a vibrant, sweet raspberry glaze. It's a straightforward process for a truly delicious result. Making the dough is surprisingly simple. Start by combining your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients, then gently incorporate them into the dry mixture. Knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, which usually takes just a few minutes. Finally, let the dough rise in a warm spot until it doubles in size, preparing it for the next step. Now for the fun part, shaping and frying. Roll your risen dough to about 1/2 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Use a round cutter to create your donut shapes, including the centers. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal cooking. Carefully place the donuts into the hot oil and fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. To complete your delicious donuts, let's make a vibrant raspberry glaze. Mash fresh raspberries to release their juices and intense color. Combine these mashed berries with powdered sugar in a bowl. Add a small amount of milk, a teaspoon at a time, until you achieve your desired glaze consistency. While the donuts are still warm, dip them into this sweet, fruity glaze for a perfect finish. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.